Hello, this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are in Nueva Colon. It's about 20 minutes to Playa Coco and 20 minutes to Potrero, and we're about to see a gorgeous property. It's 2 acres. It's got this incredible ocean view house behind me, and it also has a guest house that has 2 different suites. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me today. Welcome to Casa Vista Oculta. That means hide. This special property is hidden within the jungle. You've got travertine floors, Venetian stucco walls, and an entire incredible view of the ocean and the jungle. This kitchen is awesome. You've got granite countertops, solid wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and incredible views of the ocean. Imagine cooking up your dinner for your friends and family, watching the birds and monkeys go by, and watching the boats in the bay. This home is 3,455 square feet. There is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. On the left side of the property, you have the master suite, and on the right side of the property, you have the guest bedrooms. And here you've got this incredible living space for everybody to enjoy. This primary suite is absolutely dreamy. You've got travertine floors, peak ceilings, glass all the way around, a beautiful bed that overlooks the ocean. You have an outdoor shower, an indoor shower, and this huge wall of closets for your things. There are 2 guest bedrooms and they're identical. They have queen beds, beautiful walls of closets, and they have patio doors that take you out to the pool area. This property is 2 acres. You see nothing but jungle. You're completely private, and you can lie here, check out the ocean, and I hear the monkeys. One awesome feature about this home is this indoor-outdoor living. You've got this seating area, you have outdoor dining with your barbecue, and you've got this nice dipping pool of chairs so you can drink your cocktails while you're just relaxing, watching the parrots roost at the end of the day and watching the sunset. The combination of the landscaping and the jungle is what makes this property so stunning and private. Here you feel like you're in a tropical paradise. Framed by these palm trees, this property is incredible. It also has a 2-car garage, and just below here, there's a guest suite with 2 different apartments. The guest house are completely private from the main house. They have their own entrance. There's Casa Tortuga on the bottom, Casa Bella Vista up top, and they share this pool. Casita Tortuga is really beautiful. I love the colors of these furniture, the palettes. You've got a full kitchen with the same quality materials as the main house, and you also have a bedroom. Level of the Casita Bella Vista, here you have a studio with a king bed with incredible ocean views. Currently there's renters here. These owners use it as a short-term rental, but you can do long-term rentals or you can save it for your friends and family. Less than a minute drive from the home, you arrive at the community center. This literally is the best view community clubhouse I have ever seen. You see mountain ranges, you see beaches, you see islands, you see boats. It's stunning up here. This home is about 10 minutes away from Playa Matsapalo. It's one of the closest beaches, 20 minutes from Playa del Coco, which you can see with the boats in the bay, and 20 minutes to Potrero. This is incredible. The beautiful Playa Potrero. It's a calm, sandy bay. It's great for swimming, fishing, stand-up paddleboarding. You can walk it or you can jog it. At the end, you're gonna find the brand new Flamingo Marina. We're about 30 seconds away from the white sand of Playa Penca as well. This beach is amazing. Casa Vista Oculta and its guest houses, Casita Tortuga and Casa Bella Vista, are located in a community called Lomas del Mar. It's a gated community and it's a wonderful place to have a permanent residence or to use as a vacation rental. If you would like this stunning property to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to speak with you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.